Hey everybody, me Brandon. Welcome back to my channel. So right now we're going to the tire swing to go do some creepy weird stuff, and we're cutting through a thingy. I should have never said that because I do not want to take this way. Does it really matter, Izzy?
Yes.
Why?
It's common courtesy.
What?
Common courtesy.
Oh.
Manners.
Ah.
Something that you don't have.
I know you don't have them, but I do.
This is the guy who burped at the table.
I said excuse me.
But you burped.
I said excuse me.
Burped at the table.
So?
So?
I bet you do it.
I bet you do it.
I did.
I did.
We both did. That makes no
We
sense.
both did. That makes no sense.
Stop.
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 Stop. And then you send 5 texts and you get 9 back, so you want to send 6 more. Stop. Eat a cracker and stop.
What are you saying? Let's go over here.
Mean girls.
Let's go inside the...
I don't have any money to buy anything, so let's
We don't have to. Just go look around. We're going to go... Just go look around. I want to say, it's been a while since I've looked around in here. I think I'll still be able to be seen when I enter. Yep. But very faintly. That's better. Got the lights on now. Got some pretty cool stuff back here. See that, guys? Pretty cool stuff.
If you go back to the site and get money, I can buy you a candy bar.
I don't really want anything. I'm just looking around.
When does somebody bring out candy?
Me.
Do you want anything?
Yeah.
But you do need them, you're a baby.
Hey! Do not open. Oh, ice cream. I'll take that. $2.50.
Ice. That's ice.
Oh, ice cream.
I don't have money on me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get money.
Okay, I'm gonna be here. Okay.
Now you're following.
No, I'm gonna stay here. No. Izzy, I am a grown man. Not. And I am very capable of handling myself. No. Why?
Bruce and Poppy don't.
Papa Dick.
Papa Dick probably don't want you out.
I am literally fine. I am
Look
literally...
at the puppy. See,
There.
see, don't get it.
Where's Puppy? Oh my god, guys. There is like the cutest puppy ever. I just got to see this puppy, but I feel bad because I don't want to show their faces on YouTube.
Oh.
So...
I have a question. You just came out and we saw your puppy. Can we pet it?
You can pet him.
Okay, thank you.
You can pet him real quick. Just don't let him out of the car, okay?
Okay, so, hello. Cute puppies. Right back, guys. Okay, guys, we just literally pet the cutest dog ever. My god. So,
Okay, let's go back to your phone so I can get your money.
I paused that because I didn't want to show their faces on... I didn't want to show your faces
Let's go back to
to
camp
everybody.
so I can buy you an ice cream.
Okay, that's fine. We're going back to the campsite. Got that bright. You probably can't see me, guys, but because darkness. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Let's go up around the bathroom so we don't cut through sites.
Okay, let's go. That bathroom is terrifying. Just look at where it's placed.
Straight up. It looks like something from like
Killer.
Friday the 13th.
Yeah, like It goes like.
What does it say?
It goes.
I thought it said
Kind of like Michael Myers. You hear. Michael Myers. You hear. And you don't hear.
I haven't seen Michael Myers yet.
You don't hear Michael Myers. You don't hear Michael Myers. You don't hear that. You hear. Look. This thing's terrifying. You go down this path, which is like short and looks like you're gonna. It looks like it's so long.
I'm back.
It's
Stop
terrifying.
Stop screaming.
Okay, I'm gonna stop now.
This whole video is just me saying stop screaming.
Okay. Are you even talking to your subscribers?
I turned my camera off when you went before.
Bam.
You want an ice cream? Can I get him one? You want an ice cream? Can I get him one?
I can get one. I can get you both one.
It's
Ooh,
fine.
yes,
How
please.
much is it?
$30.
What?
$5.
Buck?
$5.
$5 each. Kinda have a lot
It's like
spending
$5.
You got all kinds of spending money home. Give Izzy a dollar.
I am. I'm folding it up for her.
No, there's another phone.
It's not a phone, it's a camera. Here you go.
Ice cream chip.
No.
You get a socket for my camera. Or a tripod.
What's a tripod? Oh yeah, I need one. I want to get a camera.
You gonna leave that here or you tablet or no?
I'm gonna take it.
Oh, okay.
This video's long, 5 minutes long. Is it?
2 minutes.
Yes, video's 5 minutes long. Well, that's how long videos are usually. This is a long video. What?
I usually do long videos. I don't do a lot of jump cuts. So basically, we're just walking down, and he wants ice cream, and my Uncle Dick and his Papa Dick gave us money, same person, to buy us ice cream. Because we're dying. I'm dying.
I'm hot.
I'm dying.
I feel like I'm gonna faint. Guys, you know extremely how hot it is when when you cannot see my face because of how bright it is. You know how hot it is. And it's getting close to that. So when it's getting close to that to me, I feel like I'm gonna like die. So I need ice cream. Thank you. Thank you for bringing me ice cream. Since we're gonna I'm not gonna show anybody's faces though. I'm just gonna keep the camera facing down. I'm gonna keep the camera faced at me so no one sees no one's face besides Izzy and mine. I'm just gonna pause you. I want to be back in a second. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna get some ice cream. So no one sees it first. I'm just gonna keep this there. What kind should I get? What's this? Vanilla pop?
Cone.
A what?
Cone.
Vanilla cone? I gotta get that. Okay, I'm getting that. You got the money, Izzy?
Oh yeah, she's got a lot of money.
If not, I'll go back.
If you locate a staff mat for us, please.
Yeah, you gotta hold on. Yeah, man, get out of there.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, thank you very much.
I was about to forget my vanilla cone. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a nice day. What they see.
Ice cream. The reason I paused you guys because I didn't want his face on YouTube, and because I don't want his. I don't want him to have like. I don't want him to because I'm not sure. Like I didn't want him because I told him I don't want to tell him
I'm sorry if you can't see things. It's right up against my phone so I can carry my phone. Because that's easier for me.
She's vlogging. I'm vlogging. We're all vlogging.
Can we vlog a vlog?
Huh?
Can you vlog a vlog? Vlogging your vlog. Vlogception. Yeah. Yeah.
Just so you guys go, don't forget to check out Izzy's channel. Subscribe.
I don't know. I don't remember the name of it.
Just go look up Izzy and then
Isabella Baldwin. It's a galaxy. For public.
okay, say it again.
Just search Isabella Baldwin and you'll get
Isabella
like, a
Baldwin.
galaxy profile pic and that's. I'm gonna go there stuff.
We're back. You still vlogging? No? I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Let me just open this. And so you guys can see what it looks like. Pretty basic, what they usually look like. and I'm just gonna take the bite, see how good it tastes. One second, guys.
I got vanilla caramel.
That's good. Well, you guys know the drill.